A question I frequently get asked is, what am I focusing on in 2023? What sort of property projects are we looking at? So apart from finishing our home, which we're building at the moment, one of the type of projects that we're looking for really is a small hotel. We're looking for something maybe up to about 40 beds that we can take on and really convert that and renovate that to a much more modern style hotel. So something like that within the West Midlands. Other things we're looking for right now is small apartment blocks up to about maybe 20 units in a building. And generally we want to take those, renovate them again, make them much more modern for the current market. And if the apartment building is right, if it's in really good condition, we may be even open to leasing as well. Because we have some buildings that we lease 10, 12 apartments within a single building. Businesses that we're launching or growing this year will be our sourcing business. This is one that we're resurrecting, bringing back, because we haven't done this maybe for about 10 years for other people. Although we actively source on a daily basis, really it's only for ourselves. But now what we're looking to do is sort really good quality deals around the West Midlands for other people as well who want to invest in the area. Another business of ours that we're looking to expand is our property maintenance business. So we have a maintenance company that predominantly looks after our portfolio and services our two letting agencies. But now what we're looking to do is offer that service to other people as well as we grow that maintenance team. So really offering a property maintenance service to other people. This is like routine repairs, minor repairs, not any big major refurbishments. Then the third business that we already have that we're looking to expand this year as well is our property management business. So we manage properties across the West Midlands, predominantly Birmingham and the immediate surrounding areas. And what we're looking to do is to expand and grow that business this year, where most of our stock is high quality HMOs and some traditional single lets, apartments and houses, to grow the single let side of the business, which is the apartments and the houses. So, hey, look, if we can help you with any of those businesses, so for example, if you're looking for deals within the West Midlands, then make sure you reach out to us for our sourcing business. If you've got some maintenance issues that you'd like help with on your current properties or projects that you've got, then again, reach out to us on that. And of course, if you've got property in the Birmingham or surrounding area that's buy to let property, and you want a great management team looking after that property for you, then of course reach out to us and connect with us, and we can have a conversation about that as well. And one thing we're looking for each and every year, and this year is no different, is amazing, talented people to join the team. We're always looking for the very best people to be part of the team to help us grow and expand these businesses. So if you're thinking you're an amazingly talented person, maybe you should reach out to us as well for us to have a conversation. Hey, look, if you've enjoyed this video on YouTube, then make sure you hit that like and subscribe button as well, and leave us a comment below, and of course share it with a friend that will also benefit from this. I look forward to seeing you on the next podcast.